Genes are located on specific regions of a chromosome known as loci. For every gene that you have in your genome, you have two copies, one that came from your mother and one that came from your father. These different copies or versions of the same gene are called alleles. Allele frequency is the relative proportion of a specific allele for a given gene within a population. In other words, it is a measure of the relative prevalence of a particular allele in a gene pool. A gene pool is the total set of genes of all individuals in a population. Microevolution occurs when there's a shift in the proportion of alleles in a gene pool. Both genotype and allele frequencies are useful when describing the genetic variation in a population. Let's start by looking at genotype frequency, which is the proportion of individuals in a population that have a particular genotype. To calculate a genotypic frequency, we simply add up the number of individuals possessing the genotype and divide by the total number of individuals in the sample. For example, cystic fibrosis is a human condition caused by having two copies of the cystic fibrosis allele at a single locus. The unaffected allele in this example is given the uppercase C. Imagine a population of 10 individuals. 7 people are homozygous, meaning they have two of the same unaffected allele. 2 people are carriers of the cystic fibrosis allele. So they are heterozygous and carry one dominant allele and one recessive allele. 1 person is homozygous for the cystic fibrosis allele and carries 2 recessive alleles. The genotype frequency for big C would be 7 divided by the total number in this sample, 10, which works out to 0.7 or 70%. The genotype frequency for big C would be 2 divided by 10, so 0.2. And the frequency for the genotype c would be 1 divided by 10, or 0.1. Notice how the sum of all these frequencies equals 1. The gene pool of a population can also be described in terms of the allelic frequencies. The allelic frequency for a particular allele is calculated by counting the total number of that particular allele divided by the total number of alleles in the population. So for the cystic fibrosis example, the allelic frequency for the big C allele is calculated as follows. There are 7 individuals that are homozygous for this allele, so 7 times 2 equals 14, plus the 2 alleles that come from the heterozygous individuals to give you a total of 16. This is then divided by the total number of alleles, 20, to give you a frequency of 0.8 or 80%. A similar calculation is done for the lowercase c. This time there's a total of 4 of these alleles, so divided by the total of 20 gives you a frequency of 0.2 or 20%.